everyone. I just made it to New York and I am here at the Pods Times Square Hotel on 42nd Street. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour of my room. So this is the first thing that you see when you walk in. Now if we go turn to my left, hey, there's a mirror. So there are different room sizes. I picked one of the smaller ones. One is just me. I originally got I think it was a single bed, but I was able to get upgraded for free to I'm gonna say it's a full size bed. So that was a happy surprise for me. So let's turn to our right as we go into the bathroom. Let me actually take my shoes off because I just walked around and that'll be disgusting. Here we are. Hello everyone. Here's the sink. Let's look at the water pressure. I'm gonna say 8 out of 10. Let's put the lights on in here, get some light in here. So much better. Hello. So here is the nice fancy toilet. I'm guessing that's number one, that's number two. And then to my left, we have the shower. Ooh. Wait, oh my God. I'm so happy that they have this. Let's also check the water pressure for the shower.
1 hour later.
So I was testing out the buttons and it made a little mess. But let's try this again. Take two. Nope. All right, you get the point. I will definitely make sure I use the right one and press the right buttons before I take a shower later. But for a pod hotel, I'm gonna say, yes, the bathroom is smaller, but it's still pretty spacious. It is nice though that they have a little sliding door, even though it's kind of hard to push. If you want any privacy in here, and you can't really see anyone on the other side. Granted, there's no one there right now, but yeah, just like some shadow. So we're gonna move along to the bedroom. So here's the bed. Now right next to the bed, we have a little desk area. We have a trash bin. We got a phone if I need to call the front desk for any reason. We got some nice little outlets over here. What is this? I have no clue what this does. Oh, that button lights up the whole room. Oh my gosh, that's nice. And we do have a really nice TV. So I'm excited to relax later and see what's on the news. Now, before I show you the outside, I'm just gonna bring you over here because we walked by it. So what I like that they do here is that they use up the space pretty well. So they have a coat hook if you want to use it, or you can use the hangers over there. But because this is a pod hotel, you know, when this is not being used, it retracts. It's great using the space. You can plug your phone over here as well. Here we have the safe on the bottom. Here you can see my shoes, my mess of my suitcase and bags. Now, if you're worried about storage, where to put your stuff, you're like, it's a pod hotel, it's not gonna be that big, do not worry because you can put your stuff over here. So right underneath the bed, there's a lot of space. And then you also put stuff under here as well. This is nice. I'll move my suitcase over here later. All right, so let's bring you to the view, which I really like that they have these blinds. You know, if I want some darkness in the room, just close them. And if I want some light, put them back up. And if I want this not my way, just move it to the side and get the beautiful view of Hell's Kitchen in New York. And before I end this video, I would also like to report the bed is super, super comfy. I'm excited to stay here for the next couple of days. Bye everyone.